Hi guys.
The car is packed and loaded. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. Today we are going on a bear hunt. We're going camping for the weekend. Today, tomorrow, and we'll be back Sunday. We're going to Heart Bar Campground. It's in the, I would say San Bernardino, just the San Bernardino Mountains. I think that's what it is. It's called like Angela or something, Angela Oaks or Angela, something like that. I think it is. Like that part of the mountain is called, but it's just San Bernardino Mountains or San Gregorio Mountains. But yeah, it's really close by. It's gonna be our first time camping together, and Alex's first time camping in general. So I've been a couple times camping. We used to go every summer, but we used to go camping at like the rivers and the lakes, never like in the mountains. So yeah, they have bales here. They have bales. Bears. Bales.
I got my paintbook down on
So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit different.
Imagine that shoe one and just like.
Oh, it's like. We want to do more of these like camping trips and like weekend trips, but we were thinking of going to like the Grand Canyon or Yosemite, but that's really far, and we want to start off small first since we've never been camping before together. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we didn't forget anything. Alex says I took the whole house, but no. You don't think about that you use that much stuff on a daily basis until you actually put it all together to take. Lovey is sweeping our camp. You're sweeping our... Lovey is sweeping our area we're gonna have our tent at, so we don't have any rocks. Making it nice and smooth.
Three hours later.
So we finally got everything set up, and then we realized we forgot a whole bag. Hi babe! We forgot a whole bag of important things. Huh? Yeah, I can see myself, but it's like, oh, there we go. Sucks to suck. We were supposed to have tacos today for National Taco Day, and that's not happening. We got the meat, but we ain't got no tortillas. So we're gonna use our bagels and hot dog buns to improvise. So we're trying to make it work with what we got. And they burned. We were only left them there for like seconds.
I know. It's just hot.
Tonight's specialty, al pastor on a hot dog bun. Y arroz. And some pico, which is in there.
Pico.
For improvising, I don't think this is that bad. Oh, is it good though? How was your first night, Lovey?
Pretty fucking cold.
It was really, 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 really cold.
Took out the blanket, man.
That's probably like the first time that we ever stayed like cuddling the entire night.
Yeah, this one right here. Hey, babe, step on that one, dog. Say hello to the camera, bitch. Salud.
We got our s'more station here, hot dog station there, and our little coffee station there.
And the chef.
I think this is the most you cooked, babe.
What? Cook for you every day at home.
Oh yeah, right. Roasting the bacon wrapped dogs.
I don't think you can hear it though.
Go. No sucio.
La roll.
Wait.
I went too low.
Is this romantic?
Tastes kind of weird.
I saw that cork, so I wasn't expecting. We didn't cheers. Cheers to what?
To our love and our ventures.
Cheers to many more camping trips.
Should brought Buffy and Big Dad. La Buffy.
We have to buy them like their own tent.
We need to make a steel one for them. Oh, we can put them in a cage. Buy a big cage, one for each. So at night they can stay in there
Mm-hmm.
next to us. To the tent. Or inside the tent with a big tent like that. ¿Cuántos quieres? ¿Uno?
One for night.
Come on, Lovey.
I'm trying. Don't die on me.
Like it.
Don't die.
Oh shit.
I'm trying to hurry to put these on there.
And here?
No, I'll show you right now.